Their wedding venue was booked, flights were planned, the email arrived, refused. Today, I'm going to tell you a story about a couple whose wedding nearly never happened. Not because they didn't love each other, but because of one fiancé visa refusal. Amelia is a British citizen living in Birmingham. Daniel lives overseas. They were engaged. They had chosen a wedding date. They thought applying for a UK fiancé visa would be simple. After all, everything is online, right? They read blogs, watched YouTube videos, downloaded checklists. They submitted the application themselves. They believed they met the financial requirement. They believed their relationship evidence was strong. And then, the email arrived. Refused. The Home Office stated that the financial evidence did not meet the specified format required under the immigration rules. Some documents were missing. Some evidence was not structured correctly. Their wedding venue was booked. Flights were planned. Everything was suddenly on hold. They contacted agents. They received conflicting advice. Some told them to reapply quickly. Others suggested appealing without reviewing the refusal properly. Every consultation created more confusion. Time was running out. Then Amelia found a number online. She called. She spoke to a specialist who didn't rush her, who listened carefully, who reviewed the refusal line by line. Our specialist team identified the real issue immediately. The financial documents did not meet strict Home Office formatting requirements under Appendix FM. They waited. This time, the decision was different. Approved. Daniel arrived in the UK. They married within 6 months, and later switched successfully to a spouse visa. We handle complex fiancé visa refusals every day. If you or someone you know has received a refusal or wants to avoid one, contact UK immigration solicitors today. Get expert guidance. Get it right the first time.